Blink camera ownership is tied to an Amazon account through the Blink app. This connection allows the account holder to access live video feeds, stored recordings, and device settings. Transferring ownership involves disassociating the camera from the original account and associating it with a new one. This ensures the previous owner loses all access to the device's features. Without proper transfer, the previous owner could still view live feeds or access stored footage, creating serious privacy risks. The transfer process requires three main steps: removing the device from the original account, physically resetting the camera hardware, and then adding it to the new account. Proper ownership transfer is crucial for maintaining security and protecting personal privacy in smart home systems. To remove the Blink camera from the original account, start by opening the Blink app on your mobile device. Next, select the specific camera you want to transfer. Navigate to the device settings within the camera options. Tap the Remove Device option to initiate removal. Confirm the removal through two-factor authentication if it's enabled on your account. This action will delete the camera from your original account and stop all associated cloud storage. Make sure your app is updated for the best experience. After removing the camera from the original account, it needs to be reset. For most Blink models, locate the Reset button on the back of the camera. Press and hold the button for 10 to 20 seconds until the light flashes red. This erases all previous settings and prepares the device for pairing with a new account. If a sync module is involved, unplug it for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. The new owner downloads the Blink app and creates or signs in to their Amazon account. Tap Add Device and scan the QR code on the camera or manually enter the serial number. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the camera to Wi-Fi and pair it with the new account. If a sync module is being shared, the new owner must claim it through the app. After adding the camera to the new account, test the live view and motion alerts to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, test motion alerts by walking in front of the camera and checking if notifications appear in the app. Check for firmware updates within the Blink app and install them to ensure the device has the latest security features and optimal performance. Keeping the firmware up to date is crucial for security, as updates include patches for vulnerabilities and performance improvements. Common issues during transfer include forgotten passwords or Wi-Fi problems. For passwords, use Amazon's account recovery. For Wi-Fi, connect the sync module via Ethernet to avoid interference. If issues persist, reach out to Blink's support chat. Properly transferring a Blink camera is crucial for maintaining security and privacy. Failing to remove and reset the device could allow the previous owner to retain unauthorized access. Blink's updated terms of service require explicit consent for device sharing, emphasizing the importance of a secure transfer process. Always ensure 2FA is enabled for added security. The future of smart home security is focusing on enhanced privacy and seamless device transfers. With growing concerns about data privacy, smart home devices are adopting stronger security measures for transfers. Future transfers could be automated through voice commands, making the process hands-free and more convenient. Blockchain technology may verify ownership to prevent fraud in device resales and transfers. As more people buy and sell used smart devices, secure transfer methods will become essential for protecting personal data.